Hey my peeps, let's make some cute back to school cakesicles. So I used a cakesicle mold to put in black, orange, and white clay. Now I let these cakesicles sit overnight so they could firm up, so that way I could handle them, and also so that I could write on them. So I just got a paint marker and I put ABC and 1, 2, 3 on that one. It's supposed to resemble like a chalkboard. And I put a little smiley face, which you can't hardly even tell is a smiley face, but that's what it is. So on this one, I'm going to make it look like a piece of paper, a piece of writing paper. So now I got the colored popsicle molds from Dollar Tree a long time ago. I haven't seen them in a while, but I did get them from Dollar Tree. And Walmart might also have them too. So I took another paint pen, a plaid paint pen, and I took a ruler and just drew lines. I wasn't too careful about the lines. It's okay. You don't have to be perfect. It's just to, this is just about fun, okay? So then I took a red marker and I drew a red line down the side. And then I took a black marker and I put an A+ to make it look like, a graded paper. So now this one, I'm going to make it look like an orange crayon, okay? So basically, I'm going to take out some, get some black clay, and I'm going to roll it out very, very thin. I'm rolling it out between 2 popsicle sticks. That's how thin I want the clay to be. I don't want it to be too thick and bulky. So I got a little like oval shaped cookie cutter, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my crayon cakesicle. And then I'm going to get these cookie cutters, these zigzag cookie cutters I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to cut some of those out, to make the lines in my crayon. Like the zigzag you see on a crayon. And try to make them thin. I kind of made a thick one there and I didn't like the way it looked. So that's why I went on the other side and just try to thin it out. Okay. And measure them. Make sure they reach the edge of your cakesicle before you put the glue on. And I am using glue since this is dry clay. You need to use some, I'm using tacky glue on that. And you want it to stick really well, so just you're gonna have to use some glue. You don't have to use tacky glue. You can use regular school glue, white glue, whatever glue you have. It doesn't have to be tacky glue. It just needs to be sticky so that it'll stick right onto that clay, okay? So there goes our three cakesicle, back to school cakesicles. But now I'm gonna put some tiny ribbons on them. Now I got these ribbons from Temu. I like ordering them from Temu. You get a bunch of them for a really cheap price, and it comes in a variety of colors. As a matter of fact, I just ordered me some more. I like these little, I can't make ribbons to save my life. I can't, not even that easy ribbon. It's hard for me to make those little ribbons, so I'd rather just buy them. And the prices on Temu, you can't beat them. For like the headache, you don't have to have the headache. You just get the cute ribbon. So there you go. I think those came out cute. Pretty simple. You got a crayon, a piece of paper, and a chalkboard. Okay? Go make you some, guys. These are too cute. And if you do a tea tray, a back to school tea tray, is perfect for it. Talk to you.